Littmann Classic III versus Littmann Lightweight II S.E. So you can't decide on whether you're going to buy the Littmann Classic III or the Littmann Lightweight. I'm going to break it down and show you the main differences of these stethoscopes. Let's do it. Price. I bought the Littmann Classic III for $100 and the Littmann Lightweight II S.E for $54. Weight. The Classic III weighs 158 grams, which is 5.5 ounces, and the Littmann Lightweight is 118 grams, which is 4.1 ounces. Acoustics. In my detailed review, I gave the Classic III 4 stars out of 5, and the Lightweight I gave 3.5 stars out of 5. And the main reason for that is that the Lightweight is made out of plastic, the chest piece, and the chest piece in the Classic III is stainless steel. Tubing length. The Littmann Classic III is 71 centimeters long, which is 27 inches, and the Littmann Lightweight is 72 centimeters long, which bumps it up to the 28 inches. But the difference is roughly just about that much, just about a centimeter. Tubing feel. In my detailed review of the Littmann Classic III, I gave it 3.5 stars out of 5, and the Littmann Lightweight I gave 4 stars out of 5. And the reason for that is that the Lightweight has got a tubing that's quite nice around your neck and it's soft, but I find that the Classic III is a little bit sticky. Spare kit. With the Classic III, you will get a set of soft ear tips, non-chill rim, and a user manual. With the Lightweight, you will get user manual only. Warranty. Classic III, 5 years. Lightweight, 2 years. When I do my detailed reviews, I give the stethoscopes a score out of 50. And the Classic received a score of 39 out of 50. The Lightweight received a score of 33 out of 50. And if you are tossing up between buying either of these stethoscopes, I do recommend that you go and check out the detailed reviews, and I'll leave a link for that in the show notes. I hope this helped in your decision making. Thank you for watching, and remember, as always, listen with your heart.